Hi, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Noor's Garden and Kitchen. How is everyone doing today? Today we are going to be making very famous Hyderabadi Dum chicken biryani. So this is very famous dish in Hyderabad, India, and we do it for all the weddings and any kind of parties. We have to have this dish. So we eat this dish with bagare baigan. So I already posted the bagare baigan eggplant dish. So I'm going to give the link in the description box. You can go check it. And also we eat with raita. Raita is a spicy yogurt. So I'm going to do the video one day with that one too. Okay. Let's go see the ingredients what all we needed to make dum biryani. Okay. Okay friends. To make chicken biryani, dum biryani, we need some chicken. So you can take any kind of chicken, but I am taking a chicken breast, boneless, and I have 2 cups of rice and half a cup of yogurt and 1 onion fried, browned, and I have green chilies grind, and I have this oil. What after I fry this oil, onions, I kept this oil, so I'm going to use that oil in the cooking. It smells good. And I have cilantro and mint. Then I have some garlic and ginger, like 2 teaspoons, and a half a spoon of turmeric, and 1 spoon of garam masala, and 1 spoon of red pepper. I have a little bit of cardamom powder, and some salt, and I have some whole spices over here. Some cardamom, like about 3 of them, and I have some cinnamon sticks, and I have caraway leaves, and I got some cloves. Then I have some lemon juice. We need some lemon juice, and also I have some saffron. I soaked it in the milk. If you don't have a saffron, you can use orange food color. Okay, let's go ahead and start marinating the chicken with all these spices. Okay, we'll first put this garlic and ginger paste. If you have the fresh one, it's better. It tastes good biryani. And I am using 1 spoon of crushed green chili paste, and then I'm gonna use some yogurt. You need a lot of yogurt for this, so I'm going to be adding all this yogurt. And then I'll put most of the onions, but leave some for the topping. And then I'm going to put the turmeric and red chili pepper powder. Garam masala. I'm not going to add the whole thing. I'm going to keep some for the topping. And this cardamom, crushed cardamom, and salt, 1.5 spoon. I'm using it. And then I'll add all these whole spices. Then I'm going to put some mint and coriander powder leaves, fresh leaves, and then I'm going to put some lemon juice in there, maybe 1 spoon. And I'll put some of this oil, and let's mix everything and marinate for an hour or something. I usually marinate overnight. It's really tastes good when the meat is marinated, everything together. So we will marinate this we will leave it for a couple of hours. Then we'll come back and do rest of the stuff. We're going to cook rice, and we're going to put the rice on top of it and put all the other things on top. So it's going to be ready in little bit. Okay, I'll see you in like 20 minutes. Okay friends, I'm boiling the water for to boil rice. I put some 2 pieces of cinnamon stick in there and some caraway leaves, like a half a spoon. Now I got 2 cardamoms over here and a couple of cloves and 2 bay leaves. I just picked it up from my garden. So we're gonna boil all this with some salt. Once the water is boiled, we're gonna add rice for just for a little while. We're not gonna cook rice all the way till it's done, because we're gonna be cooking rice. Rice is gonna get cooked with the meat. So meat is raw. So we're going to be cooking with that. So okay, I'll wait until the rice is boiled. Water is boiling, so I'll put the rice in there. Okay, so we are not going to cook rice for too long, just for a few seconds, few minutes, because the rice is going to be cooked with the meat. A little bit more. This is Indian basmati rice. It's going to be very fluffy and soft. It's not a sticky rice. It don't stick to each other. To make more separated, you can put a little bit of oil in there. Yep, that's it. The rice is done. I'm going to remove the rice, water from the rice, and let's go put it together. Okay friends, it's time to put it together, everything. This is the chicken is marinated for 2 hours. Then my rice is boiled. See, I did not boil rice completely. Just I put it a little bit in the water and I removed it. See, they're not really there's just a little bit done, not completely. So you can put all the rice on top of the chicken. Like that. And then you can start putting the rest of the stuff. Put this onions. Rest of the onions goes on top of the rice. And then cilantro and mint goes on top. Then lemon juice goes on top of the rice. And Then saffron water. It's melted really nicely in the milk. Put it like this. Use some colors to a couple of rice. Like that. And then we have some little bit of garam masala left. So we're going to sprinkle that on top of it. If you don't know what is the garam masala, you can check my link, my video. I will give you my link. Spices 101. Bring some butter on top of it. Okay, then we are going to cover it and cook for 10 minutes on high flame. Then we are going to reduce the flame and put it on like a old cast iron pan or something so the rice don't burn. Okay, let's go do that. Okay friends, our chicken biryani is ready. Let's see. Oh, look at that. So beautiful. The rice is done perfectly. Well cooked and separated. So I'm going to mix it and put it in the plate and show it to you. You just have to remove it like this from the bottom. You're not supposed to be doing mixing very hard. So okay, let me put it in the plate and show it to you. Hi friends, our chicken biryani is ready and the rice is so fluffy and nice. And the chicken is also nicely tender. So if you like it, try it. If you like it, click like, share, subscribe, and if you have any difficulty, let me know. Please write the comments so I know what you'll think about my dishes when I'm cooking. So I wanted to know if you want to learn something else, and let me know. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.